High-grade materials. Imported raw materials from Japan, different from ordinary plastic. Makeup shelf is as clear as glass, no discoloration for a long-term use. 360 degrees rotation organizer. Steady square base, rotates smoothly, easy to find all of your cosmetics. This makeup organizer contains 4 pack trays and 5 adjustable layers. Easy to install. DIY the cosmetics organizer and adjust the height. Easy to assemble and disassemble by following the instruction, convenient to use water to clean with a detachable design. Extra large capacity. Square and crystal diamond design enhance capacity and beauty. Thick and durable trays are strong enough to bear heavy products. Hold skincare products, lipsticks, concealer, brow pencil, makeup brushes, nail polish etc. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Provide quality assurance and great customer service. If there is quality issues when you received it, you can choose a replacement or refund. Please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. I bought it again. I was very happy with my previous organizer, but there must have been a serious accident while cleaning the counter and was damaged. I got it back in May 2019 and was working just fine. Nobody came forward to tell me what happened, but I decided to get a new one. Fortunately, it was available. I got exactly the same as a replacement, and as you can see, I have a lot of products in it. Everything I need and more. It is very easy to assemble and adjust the plates to provide the spaces between layers you need. I particularly like its square shape. I think it gives it a little more room to fit in square packaging. It rotates very easily, so I can pick the item I want in no time. I pair it up with another makeup organizer with removable drawers. I am very happy with my purchase.